Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got a Honcho Wholesale box of cosmetics. Let me give you all the specifications. I'm going to unbox this right here. I will move the camera much closer so you can see each and every item because obviously with this smaller box, there's going to be quite a few smaller items. So we'll just put it right up close to the table. So this is a CVES Assorted Cosmetics box. It's estimated average retail price is $600 to $883. It's got 75 units inside and they are all shelf pulls, okay? So the total cost for this was $119.95, so about $120, and then shipping was $15. And so we ended up all in at $135 for the cost of this box being totally shipped to me. And so let's go ahead and check it out. Don't forget though, if you want to order from Honcho Wholesale, I have a promo code. So make sure that you use my promo code HOOKED. Anytime you buy, you get $15 off anytime you buy from Honcho Wholesale. So make sure you use that promo code HOOKED, HOOKED, and you'll get 15 bucks off. All right, let's see what's inside this box. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Okay, we've got this Honcho Wholesale box and I want to show you exactly what's inside. So let's go ahead and just open it right up. Like I said, it's cosmetics. Don't forget about the promo code. The link is in the description of this video so you can get to Honcho Wholesale that way. And then I also have listed in the description of the video what the promo code is too, HOOKED, to get that $15 off of anything you buy from Honcho Wholesale, just because you saw it here. All right, so here is the inside of the box. This is probably my description. Yep, assorted cosmetics lock, 75 unit shelf pulls. All right, so we'll set that over there. Wow. I'm already seeing pretty amazing stuff, so I'm going to just move this box out of the way and just start putting stuff on the table. So here is a Physicians Formula Rose All Day Petal Glow. This is for Skin Perfecting Glow. Nice condition. Here is CoverGirl Clean Professional. Now that's got a little bit of makeup or something on it, but this is totally sealed, so it's pretty good, but I wouldn't want to send this into Amazon. The biggest thing too, you also have to look on makeup. Sometimes they have expiration dates, so you're going to want to check that for sure. Okay, then we have Rose Sugar Exfoliant. Oh, you got that there. Then it looks like we've got a bunch of foundations. We've got some Infallible 24-hour L'Oreal Paris foundations. Looks like we've got some Neutrogena. See, this is, you've got some makeup kind of spilled on here, so this is just going to take a wet wipe to get that kind of cleaned off. So I'll definitely be washing my hands afterwards. But I've got a bunch of different colors here of the Neutrogena. So hopefully you guys can see that good. There we go, a bunch of Neutrogena. Then we've got some, I love how bubble wrapped this box is too. This looks like nail polish, so we'll move all these out of the way. This looks like nail polish. Let's see what color this is. I'm curious. You've got Longwear Top Coat. So it's just a clear top coat by C&D Vinyl Luxe. Then we've got a lipstick. Looks like it's still sealed, isn't it? No. Okay, that's been opened. So I definitely don't want to sell that. Let's see what else we got. We've got another CoverGirl Simply Ageless Foundation, sunscreen, wrinkle-defying kind of lotion face stuff. I'm not sure what all this does. Oh, eyelashes, anyone? Eyelashes. All right, then we've got some more gel effect. Top coat, Longwear top coat, Longwear top coat. So we've got all of those. So there's some nice duplicates there. And then Oh, what else we got in here? Ooh, a bunch of makeup brushes. Those are really expensive, actually. So a nice gift set. Jet Set Eye Brush Kit. It comes with all-over shadow brush, large, flat, domed design, applies color over the entire eyelid. Then you have a blending brush and a crease brush. So got all three of those. What else we got in here? We've got, this is a Megalastane Glass is the color. Lipstick. Then we've got another Neutrogena foundation. Another one of these CoverGirl foundations. Okay, looks like then we have a layer of bubble wrap, which is awesome. Every time I get stuff from Honcho Wholesale, it's always packed really well, and I can reuse the bubble wrap. So that's kind of nice. If you guys see any of this makeup that you specifically are interested in, feel free to always contact me at hookedonpickin@gmail.com. No G on the end of that Pickin. Or you can go to hookedonpickin.com. Link is in the description below. And go to the contact me section. And you can always find me there. And shoot me an email and say, hey, I really, really love that CoverGirl Simply Ageless stuff. That would be phenomenal. That's what I buy. This is 210 Classic Ivory. This one is 250 Creamy Beige. So, you know, if this is your color or you're looking for a specific color, just let me know. I can look it up and see if I have it. All right, look, so much more stuff in here. All right, let's see what else we find. Then we got some more eyelashes, of course. Need some. All right, then we've got, this is Burt's Bees Eye Cream Skin Nourishment. Burt's Bees actually sells phenomenal for me. Then we've got Dream Fresh 8-in-1 Beauty Balm Skin Protector. And then we've got, oh, I love these blemish concealers. I use them, actually I use a highlighter like under my eye, and it pretty much gets rid of all your baggy eyes, because that's where the shadows hit. And so if you can have a brighter color there, then you don't have shadows under your eyes. See, I'm really tired. I just never look tired. All right, speaking of that, there's an eye brightener right there. Neutrogena Healthy Skin Eye Brightener. I wear the ivory color, and this one's called Light 10, so each brand has their different way of kind of doing the colors. This one is Wet n Wild Lip Gloss, that nice bright pink there. Then we've got a nail polish set, kind of a boogered up box, but this will probably just get bundled with something, and I'll sell it either on my fire sale or I'll sell it on Hooked on Pickin. I will probably put a lot of duplicates on Hooked on Pickin. This is what? Unbelievable Brow. So this is a brow brush. We've got more eyelashes. More eyelashes. We've got another one of those blemish treatments. This actually has the salicylic acid in it that you use that's on the acne pads. So this is kind of more of a spot treater. That's actually really handy. And it looks like it has a concealer in it as well. So that's kind of an all-in-one. That's really nice. And Neutrogena is really good for anything you do with your face. Here is CoverGirl Simply Ageless 3-in-1 Liquid Foundation. This one is what color? Nude Beige is the color of that one. I have found foundations are the one thing that does expire. I don't see an expiration date on this, but there are some that do expire. Here's another one of those nail polish sets. Then we have a cover stick. It's handy just for your purse and stuff. Here is a liquid makeup Natural Ivory number 20 Neutrogena. Then we've got Infallible 24-hour foundation. We've got, this is liquid liner, and it's got a lipstick with it. We've got some nail polish, got some more lipstick. What is this? 2-in-1 long wear top coat. Oh, it's the nail polish and the top coat. We've got, this is also another bonus mascara. So it's got mascara and liquid liner. So it looks like you've got a couple of those. Here's another. Nope, this is Almay just mascara. Move these over. Neutrogena Bright Eye Protector. That's one of those highlighters I was talking about earlier. Here's another mascara. Here's a Maybelline mascara. Here's some more of those nail polishes. So it's got the white nail polish and the top coat. We've got kind of a 2-in-1. Those would be great gift ideas. Oh, here's another one. Then we've got the L'Oreal Paris. Looks like a lipstick of some sort. Ooh, I'm going to open it. Yeah, it's a lip gloss. Okay. Then we have Revlon. What is this? Super Lustrous Lipstick. This is a number 016 matte. Then we have a Revlon Kiss Sugar Scrub Hydration. This is an exfoliant type of one. And then we have a Mega Last Stained Glass Lip Gloss. What is this? This is Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Brow Color. 374 Soft Brown Brow Color. And we've got this is a Melting Pout lipstick. This is called Hustle Tumulte. Here's some more. Ooh, this looks like it poured out. Something got poured on this. Some sort of a nail polish got poured on this. See? So we're going to set that one to the side. That's not resellable. What else we got in here? Let's just go through these things. Okay, we've got a lip gloss here. A CoverGirl set of, it looks like we've got moisturizing top coat and lipstick. Then we've got a Super Stay ink crayon. Then we've got Neutrogena foundation. What color is this? Neutral to tan 40. Is this a moisturizing sunscreen? Neutral to tan 40. And then we've got a CoverGirl True Blend. What color is it? It is light ivory. Okay, so we've got all those. Oh, last thing, and then we have another layer of bubble wrap, which is amazing. Okay, this one is 120 Berry Blackmail Maybelline lipstick. Okay, and then we're going to take the layer of bubble wrap out. What else we got in here? Okay, we got a couple more things and then another layer of bubble wrap. This is Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup. This is Honey 85. And then we've got Tropical Coral 444 lipstick. What color is that? Ooh, that's pretty close to what I normally wear. I wear kind of a coral lipstick all the time. All right, never been used. Okay, another layer of bubble wrap. Ooh, okay, in the bottom are all the nail polishes. So one of these must have broke. Well, maybe not. It's got that same red that was on the other one. So we've got Into the Bliss number 318 Essie, this kind of a pink color. This is a True Match L'Oreal Broad Spectrum Soft Ivory N1 foundation. And then here's all the nail polishes. Here's a clear coat. Then we've got CND, kind of a blue. We've got a cream color. We've got a pink. We've got kind of a purpley mauve. Another pink. Another pink. There's kind of it looks a little bit of a light pink. Ooh, look at that minty green. This is a top coat. We've got kind of a army green there. This is kind of a yellowy mint. Ooh, shiny. This one is this one looks marbled. Brass Button is what it's called. The marbled kind of silver and brass. Ooh, we got another Neutrogena Liquid Makeup Warm Beige foundation. Ooh, look at the cool bottle on this one. It kind of looks twisted. Kind of that nice fun purple. Then we've got a kind of a pinkish. This is Sally Henson Color Therapy. So we got a lot of Sally Henson, C and D, a lot of C and D, Essie. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, look at this bright green Essie. This one's the C and D Vinyl Luxe. Another Neutrogena Caramel 105 foundation. We've got a purple here. This is like the never-ending nail polish section. Okay, this is a CND top coat. This is a CND Vinyl Luxe. More Vinyl Luxe. Look at that, kind of a pinky salmon coral almost. Here's another here. Two more in the bottom, and I think that's it. And then we have this kind of bright blue and kind of a natural color similar to this. What is this called? This one is called Exquisite. We got 3 Exquisite. We're triply exquisite. So here's all the stuff. I'm going to give you a close-up of everything. I'll lay it out real nice and give you a close-up of everything. So let me show you that. Okay, here is all of the stuff that came out of the box. So we've got the brush kit and the different types of makeup. Here's all the foundations. Got some of those. Here's all the Neutrogena, Burt's Bees, nail polish, another foundation, various different eye makeup items, Revlon, CoverGirl, here's all of the different colors of nail polish. Two boxes of those. Some foundations here, the various different colors. Looks like we've got natural beige, and we've got caramel beige, buff beige, all the different kinds of beige. And then we got, of course, all our eyelashes. This is the one bottle that had nail polish all over it that I probably will not be selling. So quite a selection. I think I'll definitely do pretty well. Remember, we didn't spend a ton on this box, and so this is a nice box if you don't have a lot of space and you want to resell some stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and you might want to buy from Honcho. Again, the promo code is down below, and I'll flash it up across the screen. If you want to buy from Honcho Wholesale, just click the link in the description below and buy yourself a cosmetics box like this too. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. Remember, it's Christmas time, and I have been restocking my store with amazing things and gift ideas. I have got stocking stuffers galore. I also have movie bundles, snack bundles, candy bundles, you name it. And you can buy those bundles for the person that you're like, I don't know what they like, but they like to eat snacks. So go to hookedonpickin.com, just like it says right behind me, and the link is in the description below, and buy some stuff. And of course, watch more of my videos.